Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Let's get right into it, guys. On today's video, we're going to go over Bitcoin, XRP, XLM, Avalanche, Jasmy coin, XCN, Onyx coin. So let's get right into it, guys. Like always, I like to start off with the crypto bubbles, see how the day is doing. Looks like it's 50-50. I see about half the top 100 coins in the green and about the other half in the red. But a lot of the altcoins are popping off. Look, we got Core is up 31.9% for the day. Data, an old crypto, is up 25% for the day. Another old crypto, XCC, is up 20.2% for the day. We got Brett, the number one base meme coin, starting to make a move. It's up 12.4% for the day. SHIB's making a move also. I'm sure the SHIB army is very happy. It's up 10.6% for the day. Looks like the Bitcoin dominance is going down. Oh wait, let me click on CoinMarketCap. Here it is. Looks like the Bitcoin dominance is going down. It's right now at the time of recording is 56.14% for the day. I do believe a lot of people are saying that altcoin season has started, and a lot of coins are popping up. But I do believe the true altcoin season is going to start once we get below 55% Bitcoin dominance. Of course, we're going to see altcoins popping off, random altcoins popping off here and there. We have been, for the last month, random altcoins have been popping off. XRP started popping off, XLM, even Algorand. A lot of OG altcoins have been popping off, and of course the meme coins. Sui's been started popping off since September. So a lot of altcoins, random altcoins are gonna pop off here and there. But I do believe the true altcoin season is gonna start once we get below 55%. That's when you're gonna start seeing like 100% moves every day for for the altcoins. You're gonna see XRP move from like $2 to $4. And other altcoins as well. That's when you're gonna see your 10x, your 100x. And some of your favorite altcoins are going to do the 1000x as well, guys. So yeah, so we're getting close, guys. We're almost down to 55% or lower. I do believe once we get to 55% or lower, that's when the true altcoin season will start. But I do think that's probably going to start sometime in Christmas. I do think we're going to get like a Christmas rally either by the end of the year or the beginning of January 2025 is when I do believe the Bitcoin dominance will drop around 55% or lower. And then we'll get the true altcoin season. But we are going to see random altcoins popping off here and there, which is good. We are in the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for cryptocurrency, so that is normal, guys. Now I do think Bitcoin, the Bitcoin dominance is probably going to go up in the next few days, because I do believe Bitcoin is going to start to run up. Current price of Bitcoin right now is $95,951 at the time of recording. We did close off the month November 30th. We closed it off at 96,465. So that's a good that's a pretty strong close. Let's take a look at the monthly chart real quick, see what it's looking like. 1 month. Let's see. Here's the monthly chart right here. See, for November, we had a really strong close. October was green. So ever since September was green, October was green, November was green, and now we're starting December. So yeah, guys, the monthly close was very strong. Look how high November was. I think we got like a 30% gains above October. I think October was around like 17% gain, and then from September, and then from November, from October, we did like a 30% gain from October to November, guys. And we're probably going to see like another 40% gains in December as well, guys. So everything's looking bullish for Bitcoin. Let me put it back on the daily. Okay, so we're back on the daily here. Everything's looking good, guys. Like I've been saying in my past videos, I do believe Bitcoin, is just going to consolidate, somewhere between 90K and 99,000 for the next day or two or three. but I do believe we're about to break through $100,000, 100,000 Bitcoin price. I do see it happening here. Within the next it could be tonight, tomorrow, or the next day. I do believe sometime before December 4th, we're probably going to break through 100K. And once we break through $100,000 Bitcoin price, we're basically in blue skies. There's no resistance, no sell walls. We're probably gonna blast off to like 110K, and then we'll probably even get to $120,000 Bitcoin here pretty soon, guys. And we could even go as high as 140,000 before we start seeing a 30% correction on Bitcoin. Once we make that local top, I think we're gonna make that local top for Bitcoin between 120K and 140K. And then once we make that local top, we're gonna do a 30% correction. But I do believe it's gonna be above 100K. I do think we're gonna break 100K here pretty soon, guys. So that's why I think the Bitcoin dominance is probably gonna go up again a little bit, because I do think Bitcoin is about to rally, past 100K pretty soon here. It could be tonight, tomorrow, the next day. But I do see Bitcoin rallying here in the next day or two, guys. But yeah, the chart's looking bullish, guys. Nothing but higher highs, higher lows. Right now we're just consolidating. But we should be able to break 100K here in the next day or two, guys. So remain bullish. This is not the time to be bearish on Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. We're in the beginning phase of the parabolic bull run for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. And the chart is, the trend is up, guys. Ever since August 5th, the Black Monday low, we've been making nothing but higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So now we're just consolidating, and we're probably, gonna start our next leg up to make another higher high. Let's look at the weekly chart for Bitcoin real quick. Let me put 1 week. See what it looks like. So on the weekly chart, looks like but the week's not over yet. We're in the last trading day for the week, but we just started the last Sunday trading day. And on the U.S. here, it's still Saturday, but actually, the Sunday, Sunday, December 1st trading day is already started. It's about 2 hours into the Sunday trading day. But we still got a whole like 22 hours to close the week. So the last week we closed it at 98,028. So in order for this week, bullish weekly trend to be bullish, we gotta close this week off at $98,000. So basically above 98,000. Above 96,000, because 98,000. I'm sorry, I was looking at the wrong numbers. So we closed last week at $98,028. So this week we gotta end up closing above $98,028. And I do believe we're gonna do it. That's why I think within the next 20 hours, I do believe we're probably gonna pass 98,000 and might even break $100,000 here within the next day or two. But yeah, so within the next 20 hours, as long as we close above 98,000, the weekly chart is going to be bullish, and I do believe it's going to stay bullish. I don't think it's going to get bearish yet until probably the next few days. Once we blast through $100,000, then we'll probably start getting bearish here. Sometime around December 4th, right around there. We'll make a local top, and then we'll make a 30% correction. Let me put it back on the day. So see, guys, we already started the December 1st trading day here on the chart, because here on the US it's still November 30th, but the trading day actually already has 2 hours into December 1st trading day, guys. But I do believe this day is going to close bullish. I do believe we're going to close above 98,000, which will close the week bullish, and that's why I do believe it's going to happen, guys. So let's get right into the XRP update. But just to finish out Bitcoin, remain bullish on Bitcoin. I do believe Bitcoin is going to close above 98,000 today, and we should see higher prices, and we are going to break 100,000 here in the next day or two, guys. Now let's get into the XRP update, guys. Current price of XRP is $1.87. It did get as high as $1.96, I believe. Yep. It tapped 196. The high was 195.8 in the Coinbase chart. But basically, right under 196. And if you guys would have seen my video yesterday, I told you guys that the XRP was gonna probably tap like 197. There's a lot of resistance on 197 because that's the XRP previous bull run high. I believe it was like April 2021. XRP got to 197, so that's why there's a lot of resistance at 197 for XRP, guys. And I do believe we're going to be tapping right under 197. I don't think we're going to break 197. We're probably going to consolidate here for the next few days for XRP. See, we did the last time we got to 163. We made that local high 163. We did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days underneath 163, and then the 6th day we broke out again. So it might take another 5 to 6 days. We're probably going to consolidate under 196, and then take another 5 or 6 days. We're going to take a few days to consolidate before we coil up and then go up on the next leg up. And I do see my next price target is $2 in the short term. But by the end of the year, I do see XRP, being at least $2.50. Initially, about a week ago, I thought my price target for the end of the year was $2. But seeing how bullish XRP is, XRP is extremely bullish. I mean, you got Gary Gensler, who's officially quit by January 2025. President Donald Trump is going to take office in January 2025, and he's definitely pro crypto. He's definitely been making moves to keep his promises. He wants to make Bitcoin. He wants to make the USA the Bitcoin capital of the world, basically the crypto capital of the world. Hopefully, he makes Bitcoin reserves. He makes the Bitcoin reserves here in the U.S. So a lot of pro crypto things are going on in the U.S. I mean, there's going to be a crypto czar if Donald Trump's able to make that position. A lot of the Congress and Senate and House positions that were just filled in these elections, they're all pro crypto. So definitely a lot of pro crypto things going on, guys. Let me show you guys this ascending triangle here for XRP. See, last one here we we got to $1.63. And it ended up doing a 17.92% correction all the way down to $1.27. We went sideways a little bit for about 5 days, and on the 6th day it broke out, and we got all the way up to 196. And now, according to this ascending triangle, we're probably going to correct all the way down to like somewhere around like $1.43, right around there. Whatever 21% is of $1.96, somewhere between $1.50 or somewhere around there, $1.43. We might correct all the way down there, and then we're gonna go sideways for like a few days, but then our next price target would be $2.50, guys. So definitely I see that happening by the end of the year. I do think we're going to get a Christmas rally, and that's when I think the altcoin season might start at the end of the year for the Christmas rally. So that's why I see the XRP price being around $2.50 by the end of the year, guys. But yeah, guys, looks like we hit this resistance line here in this ascending triangle. That's why we tapped off here at 196. So we're probably going to do a small correction. It might even be less than 21% correction. It might only be like a 10% correction. But we're gonna just basically go sideways underneath $1.96. But I don't think the correction will be more than 21%. So that's why I believe we'll probably stay above like 143, above 150 on the correction, guys. So definitely don't get bearish on XRP. Don't be selling your XRP because you see it correcting. I do see higher prices pretty soon for XRP. Probably by next week we'll be above $2. And headed towards $2.50 by the end of the year, guys. So definitely stay bullish on XRP, guys. A lot of bullish things going for XRP this year, this cycle of cryptocurrency, this XRP crypto cycle, guys. So yeah, guys, current price is $1.88. It's probably going to correct, for the next few days. But within a week here, I do see XRP, going up for the next leg up. It'll break through $2, and then it'll start going up to 250. Once it breaks $2, 250 is my next price target, guys. All right, guys, let's get into the XLM update. Current price of XLM at the time of recording is 50 cents. I do believe XLM is probably going to rally here pretty soon because it usually follows XRP. XRP just rallied, to $1.96 to a new local high. So probably any day now, maybe later tonight or tomorrow, I do see XLM rallying above the current local high of 63 cents, guys. So my next price target for XLM is about 73 cents, which is the previous crypto cycle high for XLM. I believe it was May of 2021. XLM made the high of 73 cents. So that's why I do believe XLM probably later tonight or maybe tomorrow, but shortly here it'll probably rally past 63 cents and get all the way up to 73 cents, and then it might start correcting because there's a lot of resistance at 73 cents. Probably a lot of people are going to want to sell out. A lot of people who bought the top 4 years ago, they're going to want to sell their XLM. They've been holding for almost 4 years. So they'll probably want to sell out around 73 cents and get their money back. So there's probably a lot of resistance at 73 cents. So I do expect a little correction once XLM hits 73 cents. But again, like XRP, it'll probably just consolidate for a few days after it corrects. Once it hits 73 cents, and then I'll get ready for the next leg up. And after 73 cents, I see $1 XLM here by the end of the year, guys. So definitely stay bullish on XLM, guys. Nothing but higher highs and higher lows for XLM since the elections on November 5th. And right now we're just consolidating. We've been consolidating so far for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. So maybe later tonight or tomorrow, we'll probably start rallying up to see higher prices in 63 cents, guys. And we'll probably tap off somewhere around 73 cents, guys. So remain bullish on XLM, guys. I do see a $1 price range XLM by the end of the year, guys. So stay bullish on XLM, guys. Now let's get into the Avalanche update, guys. Another one of the channel favorites. I love all cryptocurrencies, but Avalanche is definitely one of my favorites too. Current price of Avalanche is $44.37. Looks like everything's going good for Avalanche. We've been consolidating for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days. We made that this local high right now, 44.35. But we've been basically consolidating for the last 9 to 10 days here between like 38 cents and 47 cents. But I do think we're going to break it soon, and the next target to beat once we break past 47 cents is 50 cents. I do see that happening pretty soon, probably the next day or two. We're going to tap 50 cents, and we'll probably tap 50 cents, and go and consolidate for another few days. And then once we break through 50 cents, our next target would be 59 cents, and we're probably going to tap that too, and then consolidate another few days underneath 59 cents. And then but by the end of the year though, I do see us breaking 65 cents, which is our our local top here we made on March of 2024. So by the end of the year, I do see us reaching at least our local top of $65 for Avalanche. So I do see at least getting to $65 by the end of the year for Avalanche, guys. And then next year we're gonna probably go to higher prices. But right now in the short term, guys, I do expect 50 cents here in the next day or two. So we're gonna probably tap off 50 cents here in the next day or two, and then we'll go into higher prices after that, guys. But everything's bullish for Avalanche, guys. don't be fooled. Avalanche is going to do really good this cycle, guys. I mean, it's got it's the number one gaming blockchain in crypto. It's also got a real world asset narrative. I mean, a lot of big backers are behind it. I mean, JP Morgan's got his private coin, Onyx coin, on it. It's actually been rebranded now. It's got a new name now. It's not Onyx coin. I forget the exact name of it. I can't think of it right now, but I'll let you guys know tomorrow. But yeah, it's not called the JP Morgan coin. It's not Onyx coin anymore. It's called I forget the name of it, guys. But I'll let you guys know tomorrow. But basically, the DMV, the California DMV, is also putting all the California vehicle titles on the Avalanche blockchain. That's already done. It's also competing for the Wyoming stable coin. So Wyoming might put their stable coin on the Avalanche blockchain. So definitely, a lot of good things going for AVAX. I mean, it's got Off the Grid, the number one Web3 game of the year. So definitely don't miss out on AVAX. I think Avalanche is going to be around for a long time. And I do think the AVAX token is going to get to at least $600 on this crypto bull run, guys. So definitely don't miss out on AVAX, guys. So just to summarize, our next price target, once we break through 47 cents, is 50 cents. And I'm pretty sure we're going to break through 50 cents quickly. And then our next price target after that will be 59 cents. I mean, $59. Sorry about that. I was thinking cents because I just did the XLM update. But I meant dollars. Once we pass $47 for Avalanche, we'll quickly tap $50, and then $50, and then after we tap $50, we're gonna be tapping $59. But by the end of the year, I do see us getting as high as $65. We'll probably be tapping $65 by the end of the year on Avalanche, guys. And once January 2025 comes, we're going to surpass that and get into higher prices, guys. So stay bullish on Avalanche, guys. So the short-term target for Avalanche is basically $50, guys, here in the next few days. All right, guys, let's get into the Jasmy update. Another one of my favorites is Jasmy. Really, I love all crypto, but I do love Jasmy too because I love the narrative on Jasmy. It's basically the Bitcoin of Japan, and it's the only crypto that's clear and has clarity in Japan. So that's why I think it's going to do really good. Also, the circulating supply and the total supply is the same for Jasmy coin. It's 50 billion. So all the supply is already circulating. So the team's not going to dump on you. That's another thing I like about it. And another thing I like about it is that the Jasmy team is basically the ex Sony executives. So we all know what the Sony executives did with Sony. I mean, they made it a number one brand. I mean, it's got the PlayStation, all the electronics. So I mean, those Japanese executives, I mean, they know how to market and they know how to follow through on their projects and they know how to make their projects successful, guys. And these executives in Jasmy team, they're ex-Sony executives, so they definitely have experience. So I do believe they're going to do the same thing they did with Sony. They're going to do with Jasmy. Right now, Jasmy is not well known, but I do believe it'll be well known at the top of the bull run because I believe it's going to be one of the biggest gainers, guys. It's already done a 10x from the bear market low of 0028. It's already 10x to 0029. But I do believe Jasmy could get to $1 easily this cycle, guys. At $1, it'd only be like a $50 billion market cap. It might even go higher than $1, but for sure, I think it could get to at least $1. So if it gets to $1, it'd only be a $50 billion market cap. So I mean, that's pretty much easy nowadays. I mean, if the meme coins could do it, why can't Jasmy do it? And it's also got the label of Bitcoin of Japan. It's not a coincidence, guys. I do think it's going to have heavy gains like Bitcoin did in the past. And I do easily think you could do at least a 50x. I do think you could get to at least about $1 on this cycle, guys. So definitely look into Jasmy if you haven't researched it already, guys. Now here in the short term, It looks like we are breaking into higher prices. Our local high is 0.03. We got to break through that, and our next target is 0.033, so 0.033 cents. And then once we break through that, we got to break through 0.039, and then we got to break through our current local high of 0.044, guys. But I do think Jasmy coin is going to start breaking soon. It's an Ethereum layer 2, and it looks like Ethereum is starting to move. But I do see Jasmy breaking 0.044 by the end of the year, guys. I do think Jasmy is going to break 0.044 by the end of the year, because I do believe we're going to get a Christmas rally, and I think that's when the true altcoin season is going to start, sometime in the end of the year of 2024, and heading into 2025 of January. So I do see Jasmy being around 0.044 again by the end of the year in the Christmas rally, guys. So yeah, stay tuned to Jasmy, guys. If you guys haven't researched Jasmy, definitely take a look at it. I do think it's an easy 50x from the price of today. I definitely think it gets to $1, guys. So from 2 cents, it's about a 50x. So right now we'll be right under a 50x, but it might even go over a little bit over $1. So you might be able to do that full 50x if you buy Jasmy right now. But again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so. Do your own research and only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose, guys. But definitely look into Jasmy coin, guys. It's the Bitcoin of Japan. I have a good feeling about Jasmy, guys. So definitely look into it, guys. Definitely take a look at Jasmy. Let's take a look at another one of the channel favorites here is XCN, another low market cap gem that a lot of people don't know about it. XCN is called Onyx coin, not to be confused with the JP Morgan Onyx coin. Although the JP Morgan coin, they rebranded their name. They don't call it Onyx coin no more because a lot of people were confusing it with XCN. XCN, the true XCN, the true Onyx coin XCN is a Ethereum layer 2. It's a DeFi platform, and crypto was invented for DeFi, guys. So don't forget about your DeFi plays, guys, because although the DeFi coins haven't been moving lately, this whole bear market, the DeFi coins haven't been moving a lot. I do believe they're going to be big gainers at the top of the bull run, because that's what crypto is all about. They're all about DeFi, DeFi, decentralized financing, and that's what XCN is all about. They're all about decentralized financing. You could stake. I believe they have like a 35% staking right now. They have their own stable coin. It's also backed by heavy hitters. The Nasdaq is behind XCN, and so is Visa. They're heavily invested into XCN, and Nasdaq and Visa are not going to let XCN fail. So that's why I think XCN is like a hidden gem. A lot of people don't know about it. The bear market low was 307, so it's only up like a 3x from the bear market low. So it's still got a lot of gains. In the future for XCN, guys. I do see XCN getting to at least 10 cents in this top of the bull run. If it got to 10 cents, that's about a 50x from the price of today. So it could easily 50x from the price of today, guys. It might even 100x, guys. It might even get to like 21 cents easily. The current all-time high for XCN is 18 cents. So it is definitely feasible to get to 18 cents, which would be right under 100x. But for sure, I think it could easily 50x from the price of today, because I do believe it could get to 10 cents easily at the top of the bull run, guys. Only 28 billion XCN coins are in circulation, and the total supply is like 40, I believe it's like 45 or 48 billion, right around there. But the current the current circulating supply for XCN is 28 billion. Here, let's check coin market cap to double check. Let me type it in real quick. XCN. Yep, it is. I know the circulating supply is 28 billion, but I forget exactly what the total supply is. I think it's like 48 billion, something like that. Just waiting for to load up here. Okay, yep, I was right. Total supply is 48 billion. Oh, but I was wrong on the circulating supply. I guess the circulating supply is 30 billion. But even so, at 30 billion, I mean that's pretty good, because that means it could even get to $1. If it got to $1, you'd only be at a $30 billion market cap. And I mean, if it got to $1, I mean that would be like a 500x from the price of today if it got to $1. Because if it got to 21 cents, that would be about 100x. So if it got to $1, that would be like almost a 500x from the price of today, guys. So definitely look into XCN, guys. Like I said, the all-time high is 18 cents. So definitely, I do believe at least 10 cents is totally doable. And at 10 cents, I mean, the market cap would only be like $6 billion, guys. So I definitely see a good 50x for XCN easily in the cards, guys. So don't sleep on XCN, guys. If you guys are looking for a low market cap coin, if you got some dry powder on the side and you haven't invested, and if you're late in the game and haven't invested in any of the cryptocurrencies yet, XCN might be a good one for you, because I do see at least a 50x from the price of today. And it's not a coin that's going to get rug pulled or crash to zero. Like I said, I mean, Visa and Nasdaq are behind it. It's a DeFi protocol. So I mean, that's what crypto was made for, was for DeFi, and XCN is all about DeFi, guys. So definitely don't miss out on XCN, guys. It's almost a guaranteed 50x. But again, guys, nothing is guaranteed. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, guys. Don't buy or sell any coin because I say so. But I am heavily invested in XCN. I could tell you that I am definitely heavily invested in XCN. I do believe it'll get you at least 10 cents, guys. So definitely do your research on XCN. Now in the short term, guys, here on XCN, guys, we are we're starting, we're breaking the resistance here we had here at 0.021. We're starting to break it. We got to break 0.024 to get past this heavy resistance here, and then we got to get past basically 0.03. So once we get past 0.024, we got more resistance over here at 0.03, and then once we break through that 0.003 resistance, we gotta break the local top of 0.044, and I do see this happening sometime by the end of the year or beginning of 2025. I do think the altcoin season is going to officially start, and that's when I think it's going to run massively. Once we break 0.004, there's not that much resistance. Here, let's look at the yearly chart. Oh, that is the year chart. Let's look at the 5-year. If you look at the 5-year, look how low it came down from when it first came out. It came out in 2022. That is the all-time chart. Yep, so that's the same. The 5 years is the same as the all-time chart. It came out in 2022, and the only reason it dumped was because it dumped all their coins in circulations. So the worst thing you could have done was bought it up here when it first came out. That's why sometimes it's not good to buy coins when they first come out, guys, when they're in low circulating supply. Never buy a coin if they have low circulating supply when it first comes out. Wait for all the coins to be in circulation, or most of them be in circulation, at least like 50-60% in circulating supply. That way you don't get dumped on. But this coin has already got dumped on in the beginning of the bear market. It also came out in the bear market, guys. It came out in June of 2022, which was basically the bear market, and it dumped all the way down to 0.007. But once you hit rock bottom, there's only one way to go. So the same thing happened to Jasmy, guys. Jasmy was also here, let me show you. Jasmy also got dumped on. It also came out, it made a, in October 2021, it came out in the end of the bull run. It made a quick high, but then it got dumped on. All the coins went, got dumped because it came out in circulation, and it went all the way down to 0.0028. But look, it already 10x from the bear market low. So I do see the same thing happening with XCN. I mean, once you hit rock bottom, there's only one way to go, is up. So right now it's only 3x from the bear market low of 0.0007, which was right around here somewhere. Yeah, guys, but once it gets to 0.007, it'll basically 10x, and I do see that happening sometime here once altcoin season starts, guys. So definitely stay bullish on XCN. I do see a lot of price. I mean, it's got a lot of potential on it, guys. It's already crashed on the bear market. So I do believe it's going to recover now. Just like Solana also did like a 98% correction from its all-time high of 260. It crashed all the way to $8, which was over a 95% correction. Same thing happened to Jasmy, and same thing happened to XCN. And we all saw what Solana did. It's recovered nicely, and Jasmy's recovered nicely too. And now it's XCN's turns, guys. I do believe XCN is going to get to at least 10 cents, so don't miss out on XCN, guys. I do think it's a hidden gem. A lot of people might not like it because it had that heavy crash. I mean, if you bought it at the top, then yeah, I wouldn't like it either. But I mean, that's why you gotta learn in crypto. Definitely don't buy brand new coins when they're new and they also have low circulation. I mean, if they have if the total supply is like say 50 billion and they only have like 1 billion or 2 billion or 5 billion or 10 billion in circulation, those are not coins to buy. You gotta wait till they have over 50 to 60% in circulation. Like right now is the perfect time to buy XCN, not in 2022. When the circulating supply was only like 5 or 10 billion coins. Now is the time when it's over 50 to 60% in circulation, and it's already hit its bear market low, because now it has 30 billion in circulation, and the total supply is 48 billion. So that's over 50%, over 60% in circulating supply. So now is the perfect time because now you have nowhere but up to go. So definitely look into XCN, guys. I definitely recommend it, but do your own research on it before you buy anything. Only invest in the markets where you're willing to lose, guys. But I do believe XCN is a hidden gem a lot of people don't know about, and I do believe it could get to at least 10 cents in this top of the bull run, guys. So yeah, definitely look into XCN, guys. All right, guys. Also, I wanted to show you guys here what a lot of people are doing right now. It's called the crypto money flow cycle. People take their money and they invest in Bitcoin first with the biggest market caps, which is Bitcoin. And right now that's what everybody's doing. But right now, since you see a lot of altcoins popping off, a lot of the large cap have been popping off, like XRP, XLM, Algorand, Hedera. The large caps. Right now we're in the large caps. So right now at the bottom of the bear market low, it goes from fiat to Bitcoin, and a lot of people, all the whales, they ride up this is what the whales do. This is what people who've been in crypto for a long time do, because this is how the cycle goes. Bitcoin starts to run. I mean, of course, there's gonna be random altcoins. Running like like we had Injective that ran. There's very few coins like Injective and Caspa. Only like a few coins that ran, more than Bitcoin did while Bitcoin was running. But the way, since nobody could predict what coins those are gonna be, the whales know that Bitcoin's gonna run first before most of the large caps. So that's what Bitcoin did. Bitcoin ran from 15,000 to 100K, 99,000. And then people took their profits and they put it into like XRP and XLM, Doge, all the large caps. That's why you saw XRP, XLM, and Doge ran. And this is where we're at right now. We're at large caps right now. And, they're gonna start heading into mid caps. So the mid caps would be like like Jasmy coin, all like the like the $5 billion market cap and lower. They're gonna start running. So whatever coins are like 5 billion, somewhere between like $1 billion and 5 billion is like the mid caps. Those are the next coins that are gonna run, guys. So that's like your Jasmy coin. Let's look at coin market cap and see what the 1 billion, the 5 billion market cap are, because those are gonna be the next to run, guys. Just a little heads up. Let's see here. See, this is the large cap. See, you got Bitcoin, then the large caps it would be Ethereum, Solana, XRP, BNB, Dogecoin, Cardano, Avalanche. These are all the ones that have been running. XLM, Shiba Inu. The only one that hasn't been running that much is Polkadot. Even that's a high market cap, but it'll run eventually. I mean, nothing's 100%, but most of the large caps have been running. Chainlink starting to run, and now, well, let's get back into the mid caps. Between 5 billion. So maybe your ICPs are going to start running pretty soon. Your Chronos, your BitTensors, your ETCs, Ethereum Classics, your renders, your Filecoins, your FETs, your Caspas, your Arbitrum, VeChain. Algorand's already been running. Celestia hasn't been running, so that might start running soon. Your IMAX, your Stacks, your Cosmos. Well, Bonk's already been running. It's a meme coin, so it's run a lot already. Your OKB, Monster's been running already. Your Aave, Dogwave has the meme coin's been running already. But your Mantle, these are your mid caps right here, guys. Your Optimism, all the ones that have been running. Injected the mid cap, it's already been running a lot, so it might not run that hard right now. But all the ones that have not been running mid caps are going to start running. Your Optimisms, your Theta, your Phantom, your Graphs, your Athenas, Piss. I could keep going on and on. To 1 billion. Your Starkness, your Sandbox, your Jupiters, your Flare, Jasmy coin. Let's see what basically all the top 100 coins. I could name it all off, but you know what I'm talking about. Your Beams, all the from 5 billion down. Let's see where was the first 5 billion. I believe it was ICP. Basically from ICP down on CoinMarketCap, from the 26th rank all the way down to the top 100 are going to start running pretty soon. Those will be your mid caps, and then once those stop running, all your lower market caps, like under $1 billion, like XCN and all the coins under $1 billion are going to start running, guys. So yeah, just give you a heads up on that, guys. We're in the mid cap range. All the mid caps are going to start running, and then once those run, all the low market cap under $1 billion are going to start running. And so you want to follow the cycle if you want to do what the whales do, guys. And then after once the crypto bull run's over, they sell all their low caps and they put it back into Bitcoin. So that way some people leave it in Bitcoin, or or some people put it back into fiat, and take their money and run. So you could do one or the other, guys. So yeah, guys, just wanted to go over the crypto money flow cycle with you guys real quick. Just remember, at the bottom of the bear market, people put all their money, all their fiat money into Bitcoin, and then once Bitcoin tops off, like it did right now, around 99,000, where most of the gains are already won. I do still think Bitcoin's going to run to 120k within the next few days, but most of the gains are already made. And you'll have bigger gains on the large caps like on XLM, XRP. That's what people did. That's what the whales did. They sold off their Bitcoin and put it into like XLM, XRP, all the large caps. And now people are going to start selling their large caps and put it into the mid caps, guys. So if you want to get ahead of the game, maybe if you have money to invest, maybe at some of the mid caps between 1 billion and 5 billion market cap are probably going to be the coins that run next, guys. And after the mid caps are running, all the low caps, all the coins under $1 billion market cap will run after that, guys. So yeah, guys, just a little chart, little flow cycle to follow, guys. All right, guys. That's pretty much all I have for you today. Stay bullish in the market, guys. Stay bullish on Bitcoin, XRP, XLM. Stay bullish on AVAX, Jasmy, XCN. Stay bullish on whatever coin you're holding, guys. Have conviction on your coin. 99% of the cryptocurrencies are going to run as soon as the true altcoin season starts sometime in Christmas or in the beginning of the year, January of 2025 is when I see the true altcoin season running. Once the Bitcoin dominance gets to 55 or under. All right, guys. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. This is Top Crypto Bull signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.